it's the same. I'm sorry, iPhone 6 model designation is A1549. Incoming charge current says. Incoming charge current is intermittent between 0 to 0.40 amperes. So it's a little bit of a concern over there as far as the electrical assessment, but we'll look
I ain't left
into
the
that.
store yet. What's the return policy?
We'll have to go back and checking the electrical a little bit later. But power button, home button, volume down, volume up button, and volume rocker does appear to have positive tactile feedback. Customer is. You say you want to come in and check out the screen for now?
Right. Well, what happened is that it went blank.
It went black on you?
Yeah.